Welcome to Relay 2010, and we're here to celebrate another year's birthday for cancer survivors. What we are here about is a 24-hour walk. We have 31 teams involved this year, and we're very excited about that. And we have over 400 people participating so far, and we know that we've got about another 75 to 100 still arriving yet tonight. We have cancer survivors coming at 6 o'clock to register. Their walk is at 7. And we are excited about having them and being part of Relay. And that's why we Relay, is because of our cancer survivors.
We appreciate any help to the Cancer Society to help even the rare type, because we don't get looked at our type of cancer very often, and there's so many different types of cancer that it's hard to get the rarer ones, we kind of go under the table a little bit, so we need help too with, cancer research and that.
All the money that is raised for Relay for Life, majority of it stays right here in our county, and we take and it goes to research and some of our other programs like Road to Recovery, which is a free transportation for any cancer survivor to their doctor's appointments, to the hospital for treatments or any of that, and some of our other programs, free mammograms, and many other programs that are involved.